Okay, I changed my 30mm launcher here. And what I did was I made it so that I can, before, I could use this with the 30mm launch tube on it, or I could put a 6mm BB barrel on there. And the way I did that before was unscrew it like so. This is 1/4 inch thread, and that's what I got on the barrel, so I can put either barrel on it, shoot the BB, muzzle load with either BB. Got to drop a BB down in there, or push a projectile down in the 30mm. But what I did was, instead of having to take one barrel off and put the other one on, I took something like this. This is 1/8 inch and not 1/4 inch, but it's a little sleeve here for attaching the 1/8 inch pipe. So I've got something like this. Put right into the barrel here, so that this barrel will now screw down into there. So all I have to do, if I want to, I'll just leave the big barrel, the 30mm on here. Okay, I can shoot my 30mm projectiles, pump it up, muzzle load it, shoot it. But if I want to use the BB barrel, I can just slap that puppy down in there and screw it in without having to take this one off. So now I can shoot my 6mm BB, just put it down in there and pump her up, shoot it. So I can quick attach, just leave this like this. I got tired of taking one barrel off, putting the other on. Now I just got to screw one barrel into it or take it out, depending on my needs. Anyway, for now.